Exodus chapter number 33. Exodus chapter number 33 siyofunda from verse 12 to verse 17. Hey sisidopsi le pulpit lena iphelile ayikwazi nobamba incwadi yami. Iphelile le pulpit yakho. Ake sifundeni ke from Exodus chapter number 33. We're reading Exodus chapter number 33 from verse 12 to verse 17. Ake sifundele kwaseyithoni.
Exodus chapter 3 verse 12 to 17 ifundeka kanje ngalindi iphetheyo. Verse 12. Moses said to the Lord, "You have been telling me, lead these people, but you have not let me know whom you will send with me. You have said, I know you by name, and you have found favor with me. If you are pleased with me, teach me your ways, so I may know you and continue to find favor with you. Remember that this nation is your people." The Lord replied, "My presence will go with you, and I will give you rest." Then Moses said to him, "If your presence does not go with us, do not send us up from here. How will anyone know that you are pleased with me and with your people unless you go with us? What else will distinguish me and your people from all the other people on the face of the earth?" Verse 17. And the Lord said to Moses, "I will do the very thing you have asked, because I am pleased with you, and I know you by name."
Praise the Lord. Any other version? Asifundele mamiyeka angazi uphethe.
Umose wathi kuJehova, "Bheka uthi kimi, kukhula laba bantu, kepha awungazisanga yena oyakumthuma nami. Nokho ushilo ukuthi ngiyakwazi ngegama, ufumene umusa emehlweni ami. Ngalokho uma ngifumene umusa emehlweni akho, ake ungibonise izindlela zakho ukuba ngikwazi, ukuze ngifumane umusa emehlweni akho, ubhekisise ukuthi lesi sizwe singabantu bakho." Wayesethi, "Ngiyakuhamba mina uqobo, ngikuphumuze na?" Wathi kuye, "Uma ungahambi wena uqobo, ungasikhuphuli. Ngokuba kuyakwaziwa ngani ukuthi ngifumene umusa emehlweni akho, mina nabantu bakho na? Akungalokhu yini ukuthi uhamba nathi, ukuze sahlukaniswe mina nabantu bakho nabanye abantu abasebusweni bomhlaba na?" UJehova wathi kuMose, "Ngiyakwenza nalokho ukushiloyo, ngokuba ufumene umusa emehlweni ami, ngiyakwazi ngegama."
Awuphinde uverse 13 mamiyeka.
Ngalokho uma ngifumene umusa emehlweni akho, ake ungibonise izindlela zakho ukuba ngikwazi.
Okay. I'll repeat another 13.
"If you are pleased with me, teach me your ways, so I may know you and continue to
find
favor with you."
In Tswane 13 verse 13. Ushili? Open it. I didn't forget about Lesotho Manuel. Verse 13. Yes, Mama. Okay, because I've been teach me your ways. Teach me your ways. But shortly sizothandaza. In the last 2 weeks niyokhumbula into yokuba besibheke subject noba theme ethi lessons that abantwana bakwa-Israel learned in the wilderness. We were dealing with the lessons. I want us to conclude this matter today. Funa siqede sivale conclude this matter today. The lessons that abantwana bakwa-Israel learned in the wilderness. Uma abantwana bakwa-Israel were traveling, journeying to Canaan, kukhona lessons abazifundayo endleleni. Satsho into yokuba journey with uNkulunkulu bathandekayo is a journey of learning. And satsho into yokuba we are learning what uNkulunkulu loves, and we are learning what uNkulunkulu hates, because zikhona izinto uThixo azithandayo, zikhona izinto uThixo angazithandiyo, zikhona izinto uThixo afuna sizenze, zikhona uThixo izinto amelene nazo angafuni ukuthi abantu bazenze. Alibonge igama lenkosi. So sathi sifunda ebantwini lana nabo abafundayo befunda ngendlela ebhlungu. Sathi ukuthi manje akumelanga ukuthi thina sifunde kabhlungu. Lapho sesine manual, lapho sesine reference, ngoba ababantu esifunda kubo bafunda bengena reference, bengena manual. Bafunda kabhlungu kwabiza ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi bathi dip their fingers emanzini noba emlilweni. Alibongwe igama lenkosi. Sathi phakathi kwezinye izinto abazifundayo abantwana bakwa-Israyeli enhlango bafunda into yokuba bamethembe uThixo, bamkholwe uThixo, believe in God. Okwesibili sathi kuwabiza ukuthi bafunde ukuthi uNkulunkulu would supply all their needs. Yonke into ebebeyidinga, when they needed food, they had to believe in God, and uNkulunkulu would supply them with manna. Mabefuna amanzi uNkulunkulu would be their supplier. Amanzi la ebebeyofika engekho amanzi enhlango, uNkulunkulu would supply amanzi awakhiphe edwaleni baphuze basele. Sathi ukuthi uIsraeli bafunda, they had to learn that uNkulunkulu akasitolerate isono. uNkulunkulu nesono uxabene. uNkulunkulu nesono, uNkulunkulu hates the sin. No compromise. And abantu, they would suffer for their sins. They would pay the price. Uma bebonile uNkulunkulu ngoba isono ibisisono bani, they would have to pay the price. Bahlawulele kabhlungu ngenxa yokona kwabo. Okwesine sathi uIsraeli kwabiza ukuthi afunde ukuthi uNkulunkulu is not running short of our resources. No, uNkulunkulu is not a respecter of a person. uNkulunkulu is not running short of resources. Akafani nathi uNkulunkulu, nawe nami. Ayibona khona mthakazi. Akafani nathi uNkulunkulu. Noba ungaba nako konke kodwa somehow kuyoba khona into oyoyidinga ungabi nayo, kubiza ukuthi uye komunye umuntu akusize ngayo. Sithe uNkulunkulu is not running short of our resources. Sathi ungabolokotha ucabanga into yoba ngoba unguwe unalo gift, unalo talente, unalo mali, unalo nto nayo, ucabanga ukuthi mhlazane wavukwa sisiciko sakho, wahlala phansi wathi abazuyifa, anduzubakhonza, anduzubasikela, anduzubabusisa, anduzuyenza le nto anduzuyenza ongazucabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu ustranded uyoba frustrated zange abe frustrated uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu wavula amehlo embongolo imbongolo uBalaam egibele phezu kwayo and he caused the donkey to see the angel. uNkulunkulu brought the angel waletha ingelosi phambi kwaBalaam nedonki. uBalaam eyindoda kaNkulunkulu ebithenjwa ngabantu ukuba igifted anointed unekhono uyakwazi ukukhuluma izinto ezingabonwa sibona uyakwazi ukukhuluma abusisa aqalekiswe because remember uBalak the king of Moab umbiza uBalaam the seer ukuba azothi curse isizwe sikaNkulunkulu. Lo muntu had a gift of some sort, but the very same man, he could not see the angel of the Lord. Ikhona phambi kwakhe yabonwa yidonki. Ngoba uNkulunkulu wanted to prove in the number he is not running short of the resources. Molo fish uphume nini enkonkxeni. Umuntu abangini hayi they cannot go anywhere without me. Me, no, I know me. I am. Hey, molo fish. Lento lena ayinabantu lento lena sikuyo apha. Uwabhava abanye abantu. Ayinabantu lento whom God ranks them as the mighty men above everyone. God puts ama-gifts wakhe ngendlela athanda ngayo. Lithi iBhayibhile wabanika abanye ukuba baba ngabapostoli, wabanika abanye baba ngabaprofeti, waba akukho mntu emehlweni kaNkulunkulu ongcono kunabanye abantu. Ngeke ngaphandle kwami. Ndiyababona futhi njena bayahlabelela, ndiyababona nje shem bayahlabelela kodwa uba abafiki wethu endaweni, abafiki bayahlabelela. Molo fishi. Hayi shem bayazama, bayashumayela lonto yabo bayishumayelayo. Hayi shem kodwa siqhele thina abantu abashumayelayo, thina sijwayela abantu abashumayelayo. uNkulunkulu is not running short of resources bathandekayo. Zilapha i-resources kaThixo. Zilapha i-resources kaThixo. Kukhona abantu abahleli la whom we have not heard yet. Kukhona abantu abahleli la whom we have not seen yet. uNkulunkulu who adeposite kubo izinto zakhe ezinkulu. Nemzwile bosi mina ngisho. Kona abantu abalapha. Kosakala uNkulunkulu mathoda masinceda. The point bathandekayo that I'm trying to make, uNkulunkulu is not running short of your resources. Is not running short of your resources. By the way, uma abantu beqala bathandekayo ukuthi hayi ngiyanibona ithi ngize ngihlale phansi ndibheka hayi ngize ngihlale phansi abantu abasenza lonto asibaqale into ba you're not qualifying wena uyivisit. Uma ngaba uzomane uthi wena uhlale phansi ufuze usikhonze uma ufuze unikele uthi hayi ngize ngibone ngoba bazawenzana ngalomnikelo wamanje uzunikela uthi lo tata befundisa besilungu emadodeni enkonzweni yotata levepheleyo uthi umfundisi ulobi wafundisa into many years ago wathi abantu abanjalo afuzanga babe nayo ne-voice in the house of the Lord. Abantu abanjalo uthi mabangabi nayo ne-voice. Abantu abanjalo anza ngihlale phansi ngibheke bani zothini uthi bahlaliseni phansi abantu abanjalo ngoba bazalixova ibandla bazalimosha ibandla. Let them have no voice nakwi-matters zebandla ezidiscusswayo. Alibonge igama lenkosi. Manje bathandekayo, abantwana bakwaIsrayeli kukhona izinto abazifunda uma bejikeleza noNkulunkulu besenhlango. Now, umbuzo uthi thina babuhlakude, what do we learn? Sifunda ntoni thina lapha kwabantu na? Ngoba kukhona izinto abazifunda kuThixo. Izinto bezithanda uThixo lento abangathandi. Thina today, what do we learn? Ngoba bathandekayo for as long as we open this book. Kumele into uba uvula le ncwadi kube khona into oyifundayo. When you start to read this book, umuyivala, you must have learned something. Kungafani ukufunda le ncwadi nokufunda iSunday World neSunday Sun. Kumele kube khona into othi umuyivala uthi ukuthi mani kukhona into eniyifundile ngoThixo wami. Andazi. Uma nifunda iBhayibheli yami every day uma nifunda iBhayibheli yami, njengobona ndibhala nje ndibhala ngoba kuba khona something engithi uNkulunkulu madoda he is speaking with me kule into. Summarize le nto yokuthandana sizofana. Here are the lessons for us today to learn from the lessons Israel learned from God in the wilderness. Before here are the lessons. We're talking about the lessons Israel learned, but I'm saying to us our lessons tina, our lessons for us today. Esiwafundayo kwi-lessons ka-Israel. Number one, bathandekayo, uNkulunkulu is a provider and he provides in a miraculous way. God provides in a miraculous way. Uyasiyeka loo nto, you get it from Exodus chapter number 16 verse 4. Exodus 16 verse 4. uNkulunkulu uyasiletha isimo noba siyekele isimo sibhekane nawe. Uba ngabuka indlela yophuma ungayitholi indlela yophuma. Ukhale ulufuna usizo ungalitholi, bengatholakali nabantu abebejwayele ukukusiza. Ngoba uThixo umezokusiza ungumuntu wakhe uyabaqelisa abantu bonke bebejwayele ukuhamba nawe nokuphila nawe, uyabaqelisa uNkulunkulu. Ungabasola abantu ubazonde ucabange into yokuba bangenwe ngumoya kwesinye isikhathi. Abangenwa ngumoya abantu kwesinye isikhathi. uNkulunkulu purposely uyabaqelisa abantu abasuse so that you must be alone. So that it must be God and you and no one else. Ngithi mina uThixo sometimes uyabaqelisa abantu so that ibe nguwe naye qha echatshalazini, aphile nawe singekho ezinye voices, ngoba abantu aba uma bebaningi they bring a lot of voices and confusion. Uyabaqelisa abantu sometimes okwenzela uba ebe nguwe naye eshashalazini. And uma sebeqelile abantu wadela wakhala wadela wayeka, uNkulunkulu abeseyavela. Wayenza lento uNkulunkulu in Genesis chapter number 19, 20, 21. uNkulunkulu ukhuphuka noAbraham. Abraham ukhuphuka nendodana yakhe, ukhuphuka nesicaka, ukhuphuka nenkuna yonke into. And uma belibele beqhubeka uAbraham uyaphinda uyema uthi kule ndawo so uyosala apha wena ukwenzela ba mna nginyuke ndiyokwenzani, ndiyoqula uThixo ushiya isicaka. Uthi that I may go up and worship God. Ushisixaka somewhere in the middle. Ngoba aphe beyoqula khona where he needed to go and worship God. Bekungazulunga uma bezokhuphuka naso lesixaka. Kwabiza ukuba isixaka masisale endleleni ukwenzela banyuke nendodana. Nenkuni nayo yonke into uma ifika phezulu ulungisa inkulu, lungisa yonke into uyamthatha umntana umbeka phezu kwenkulu. And I bet you, I tell you, uma lesasixaka sasikhona uAbraham wayengekho ayenze lento successfully ngoba lesisixaka would cause a noise. No, you can't do that. Sasizakwenza ingqolo esisixaka uAbraham and confuse uAbraham and cause uAbraham to fail ukuze enze icebo kaNkulunkulu. Kwabiza ukuthi amshiye somewhere anyuke yedwa ukuyoqola uThixo. God provides in a miraculous way. Secondly, God will lead us day and night. He leads us. He leads us. uNkulunkulu ungumholi. Bekani kuJesu engumholi la. Nophiwa amandla kuye. Mbonga uJehova mphefumulo wami. Uyasihola uJehova, usihola namadlelweni aluhlaza. Sinomholi njengosibona. He leads us. There is God behind me. There is God ahead of me. He leads me. He leads me. Everybody who believes, everybody who is righteous, everybody uNkulunkulu aphilayo ngaphakathi kuye uyaholwa kuJehova. He leads us. Ngakho uhlabela nathi bhekane uJesu umholi. Sinomholi njengoba nisibona abathandekayo. Come on, come on. Noba lento uyidoubta ixesha lingakanani unomholi. Noba abantu bengabonakali, noba ingathi uthelelekile phakathi kwabantu, unomholi. Notheleka kwakho. Nomholi. Number 3. Lesson number 3. God fights on our behalf. We have to mind a lot of Exodus 14 verse 19, also Exodus 17 verses 15 to 16, Exodus 14, 19, and Exodus 17 verses 15 to 16. God fights on our behalf. uNkulunkulu, he fights on our behalf. Kukhona izimpi bathandekayo ezingafuniyo into basesihluphe nokuzihlupha ngokuzilwa. zikhona izinto ekufanele basiziphonsele kuThixo and trust God. uNkulunkulu, come on, uNkulunkulu, he did it ngensuku zika Moses. Wakhuluma amazwi uNkulunkulu in Exodus 14 athi kuMoses, yimani nime, stand still and see the salvation of the Lord. Uthi namaGibhithe nibheke nawo ngeke nisaphinde nawabona. And nakansuku zika Jehoshaphat uNkulunkulu ukhuluma lento eyodwa kuJehoshaphat, uJehoshaphat aniye ukuphakamisa nomnwe owodwa, lempi ayisiyo yenu, yeyam, it is not yours, it's mine. Umekhuluma nabo uthi you're not going to lift up even a finger. Khona izinto ezingadingi into abasizilo bathandekayo. And siyagquzuleka, siyashayeka, we get battered, and we get, because sivele sibona into ba no le into ndingayilungisa ngokwami, le ndingayisota lena into, sivele sibona abantu ngayisota le into. Ezinye into asifuni ba singazihluphi nozihlupha ngazo. Lesson number 4, and ngiyabuya njalo ngizobuza lesson 1 2 3 4. Abaloku fanele abantu bayibambile lo. Lesson number 4. uNkulunkulu will make a way lapho ekubonakala sengathi ayikho. Nikhona manje? He will make a way where it seems there is no way. uNkulunkulu will make a way. He did it. Israel uma ngaba ebhekene egishinyiswa ngama we-Israel rather ngamaGibhithe ebhekene olwandle olubovu, kwakungekhondo echoyo into yokuba bayophumela olwandle olubovu, kodwa uNkulunkulu dried up. uNkulunkulu caused amanzi olwandle, and amanzi olwandle parted, kwavela umhlabathi omile phakathi, base beyawela. Wavula indlela lapho indlela yayingabonakali khona. Uma kuthelwa ngoNkulunkulu, mavula kuvaliwe. uNkulunkulu ovula indlela la ingekho khona wayenza waIsrayeli. Ngomnye wabantu abayikholelwayo lonto, uma ngabe uma ngabe lento ungayikholela, ucinga into ba scientifically ayikho possible into yoba amanzi part the ways, amanzi avule and kuvela indlela olwandle. Ngiyayibelieve into ebhaliwe kule ncwadi, noma yini, everything, yonke into ebhaliwe kule ncwadi ngiyayikholelwa ukuthi khona injalo. He will make a way. uNkulunkulu lapho ekubonakala ngasengathi indlela ayikho khona, uzawuyenza indlela, uyayenza indlela. Uke wayenza, and uma uke wayenza ngaphambilini usengaphinda yenza nako yami impilo. Uma eke wayenza ngaphambili usengaphinda yenza nako yami impilo. Asifani bathandekayo, angithi bese nekhala banza ubuza ba lesson number 1 ithi asivali. uNkulunkulu masincede ePhola Park, kufuneka abantu ePhola Park, all of us, not some of us, abantu bathandekayo abazoba nalento ngaphakathi kubo ethi Nkosi teach us your ways. Ngoba sifundile ukuthi uNkulunkulu uNkulunkulu ohamba nabantu, uNkulunkulu ujourneys nabantu ngemfundiso. Sifundile la ukuthi uNkulunkulu umehamba nabantu, uNkulunkulu ababonisa izindlela ezintsha, uNkulunkulu abafundisa izinto ezintsha, uNkulunkulu obathathela kuma level amatsha. uNkulunkulu uyadinwa kuhamba nomuntu ehlala endaweni enye unyaka nonyaka. uNkulunkulu kukho izinto ezintsha eziningi esingakaziboni, afisa into basizibone. Lord, teach us your ways. Teach us your ways. Kwasangathi ngavusa abantu abazabana lomthandazo, abantu ePhola Park, but kuyokwenzeka kanjani? Uyozifundiswa ufundiswa kanjani izinto ezintsha uNkulunkulu ungekaqala ukufunda nezinto ezi-elementary, ungekaqala ukufunda nezinto ezi-basic, ungekaqala ukufunda nezinto ezi-foundational. Uyothatha kanjani uNkulunkulu akula akudonsele enzulwini? Because ukufunda uNkulunkulu bathandekayo every day, that takes you to the deeper, to ilando elithi ilizwi lenkosi encwadini endumiso, the deep call, the call it to the deep. Kukhona into ebizela umuntu enzulwini, and bathandekayo iyoba sisifiso. Ayengayijahike lento bathandekayo, singayithetha lento ngomlomo sonke every day. Lord, teach us your ways. It is one thing uyithetha ngomlomo, emveni koko siqede singayenzi, singayifuni. Also it is another thing in lento ba sithi uNkulunkulu sifundise, siqede sifunde lokho esifundileyo, kungabikho ukulangazelela ezintweni ezijulileyo. Bathandekayo, uNkulunkulu ake simfunene uNkulunkulu ukwenzela ba akasifundiseni izinto zakhe ezijulileyo nezifihlakeleyo. Wena oko wabayingane ukhuluma njengengane, wena oko wabayingane uncela ubisi, wena oko uyokhula nini udle izinto eziqinileyo zikaThixo. When I was a child, I spoke like a child. When I was a child, I talk like a child. When I was a child, I did izinto njengomntwana. Hayibo, wena utheni uyozilangaze bathandekayo. uNkulunkulu masincetheni silangazelele izinto zakhe. Kumthandazo wami ukuthi inkosi ndifundise izinto zakho. Ngoba zizinto zikaNkulunkulu bathandekayo, babonakala abantu abazifundile izinto zikaNkulunkulu ngexesha lobunzima, ngexesha lokuvivinywa, ngexesha lokulingwa. Ziyavela izinto zikaNkulunkulu ubani bezifundile. Ziyavela. Uthi umuntu elingwa, evivinywa, umuntu ozifundileyo, ofundiswe nguThixo, athi ebhekene nesimo, athi ndiyamazi umhleki wami uyaphila. Atsho isimo singavumi, athi ndiyamazi. Uthi umuntu engenako ukutya, ingekho imali, engazi uba uzothi ebhekene nesimo, athi ndiyamazi umhleki wami uyaphila. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Makabongwe osenyangweni. Yandis ubonga uNkulunkulu umuntu wathi sima siphu, athi makabongwe osenyangweni, ophakamileyo, ojulileyo, ongaphezulu kwezinto zonke. Ngoba uphake ukulungile, isimo ngeso sikhathi asivumi. Umuntu lo wasifundileyo izimeko zikaNkulunkulu. Lord, teach us your ways, that we may know. Nkosi, ukwenzela sizazi izindlela zakho, sifundise Thixo. Imphi into yabantu bathandekayo, unyaka uyaqala uphinde uphele, ayikho into umuntu efundileyo. Moses bathandekayo khona izinto abasifunda. Joshua kukhona izinto uma benibeleka hamba endleleni, uhambo lwabo nobizo lwabo lokho khona izinto abasifunda. Lord, teach us your ways. And the land of Anwali, it calls us to go back to our boardrooms. It calls us to go back to our study rooms. Ibizi doba masiye emakhayeni ethu kweza ndawo esihlala kuzo sifunde izwi lenkosi siyokwenza umthandazo le ibiza abantu abazobela emakhaya bathi la phansi bavula iBhayibheli babeke izinto apha bathandaze bathi Nkosi ngiphambi kwakho Nkosi ndifuna wena teach me your ways nani izwi lakho ngikusho ukuthi anye ngxaki ezinto uba singafundi sibe ngabantu abade bangafundi bebani iminyaka bekholwa enkosini ile approach yethu kuNkulunkulu approach yethu we must watch our approach to God we must watch our attitude to God sibheke attitude ne approach yethu iyascosta uma sisiya kuNkulunkulu silivula ilizwi silifunde uNkulunkulu engekho lapho si waste ngelo xesha lonke because akekho masilungiseni bathandekayo iattitude ne approach masiyezwini kaNkulunkulu so that when we begin to read uNkulunkulu ukhona kube ukuthi ukhona because as izinto stands now saba ngabantu abanqamileyo saba ngabantu abahlala phansi bafike bavule iBhayibheli bafunde bavale kanti bekumele into ba uma sisiya kuNkulunkulu ngexesha lestudy lesezwi kaNkulunkulu siyalivala iBhayibheli and becoming still before him and begin to beg simcenge simbize azabe khona bekhani silivula ilizwi saba ngabantu who are always rushing nabantu who are fast and quick kuyo yonke into masincede Nkosi bathandekayo asijijene i-approach to ne-attitude yethu let's give ourselves ixesha phambi kaThixo lokuzola lokuba calm and quiet and listen i-presence yakhe ukuthi isikhona yini na i-presence yakhe take your time umbize athi uma sekhona bekukhani uyalo ezwini kaNkulunkulu usuyobona izinto ezizakwenzeka indlela elizakwambuleka ngalo ilizwi kaThixo usuyobona indlela elizakwambuleka ngalo indlela elizawuthileka ngalo le approach iyascosta brother iyenza ukuba silifunda sibe singafumani into kungekho into esiyifumanayo kuyo unable to extract anything ngekho into esiyikhuphayo kulo scosta approach ne-attitude yethu as many as now Lord teach us your ways this is so deep lento yokufuna ukufundiswa uNkulunkulu izindlela zakhe is so wide it is so deep into yokufundiswa uNkulunkulu ifuna abantu abazoncenga uNkulunkulu all the time Nkosi teach us your ways ifuna abantu abazawa-approach uNkulunkulu with attitude and Lord we do not know asizazi izinto zakho asizazi into zakho zifihlakele into zakho zijulile izinto zakho uNkulunkulu they are so deep that ingqondo yami njengomuntu may comprehend them izinto zakho are so deep ukuthi Thixo wethu onamandla ingqondo yami may understand into zakho are so deep they are so deep teach us Lord sifuna uba ngabantu who are going to go out there And so that the world must see but these are the people of the Lord. These are people from the Lord. Sithi sihamba abantu babone ukuthi ngaba ngabantu aba from the Lord. Kufakaza izinto esizifundileyo esizifuthwe kuye. Sulohamba ePola Park banqwale bavuma abantu basePola Park into abantu aba are not the ordinary people. Asibantu nje bantu abafundezi bavuma abantu banento esingenayo bavuma abantu for as long as abantu besakubuka babheke bakubone ufana nabo hayi khona ayi nabantu abangena uNkulunkulu nhlobo bavele babone kungekho mehluko phakathi kwakho nabo hayi konke wrong kulonto kumele abantu bazitsholo babheke nje nabasho ukuthi my ababantu ababehlukile kuthi mele batsho abantu oze ngomsakhelo kumele abantu bathandeka basibheke nje uma kuphakama wena ngisho sekunomhlangano we-community kuthi kungaphakama wena bekubanga umsindo ngabantu bonke ukuthi ungaphakama wena kuzole kuthi tu ngoba kuphakame omnye umuntu lana ohlohliwe izinto zikaNkulunkulu ofundisiwe izinto zikaNkulunkulu bena baphakama wena uthula umsindo uthi tu ngoba kufaka izinto engaphakathi mandarienda boko faka izinto engaphakathi uNkulunkulu masibuyela emakhaya amaPola Park siyonxusa uNkulunkulu siyoncenga uThixo. Teach us, Lord, your precepts. Teach us your instructions. Teach us your laws. Sifundisi uma besingayenza lento uma esisikhathi sifika lonyazayo bese yofika sengabantu abehlukile anendiva bese yofika singabantu abehlukile completely uma besenza commitment today and go and begin to do ezizinto this time next year beyofika singabantu abehlukile ethandaza noma bekhona abantu abanalonto kule ndawo noma babili bathathu ndingomnye wabo. Watch me this time next year. Amen. Thixo, teach me your ways.